Cause they like the fries, and you know what I mean? They won't be my demise. Cause those big ass women, they don't have a long lifespan, man, but you know they ain't no their thongs. Yeah, I don't know, I'm a little drunk so I can't rap no more, so I'll pass it to the movie, cause what's in store will beat my shit right out the door.
John likes the bigger figures. I said, my God, boy, that's a nigga. He looked left and then he looked right and he said, by God, boy, you're right, she ain't white. What have I done? I got fucked up and I brought home a blackie and put it in a butt. It's all chocolate from the where we sitting. Big hoop, baby. You know I say spitting. And then I go downtown and I look around town and all these girls say, can I go to Pound Town? Yes, you can. I got the one-way ticket. I'm about to lick it, double dig it, then stick it all up in your booty. Big hoop getting zooty, getting fucked up. I ain't got no cooties, don't mind me, but I'll give you the shot. Bend you over, smack your ass, drop it like it's hot. Don't mind me, baby, I'm just behind you. Big hoop, baby, man, where's the grinder? About to roll it up, about to pass that hash. Big hoop, about to stick it all up in your ass. Don't mind me, once again. Big Hoop's about to run a train on you with his friends. Just bend over, flop up your legs, lick that dick, now give me some head. It's 3-6 Mafia, all in the club. And Big Hoop about to show you what they call me Big Nub. Bring love.